Hi, welcome to Katy Sue. My name's Emma Boys and I'm the in-house paper artist. I'd like to introduce you to the paper quilling digital templates. Once you've downloaded your digital template and printed it out, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have 3 sheets. The first one is a suggested colour guide. The second one, if you're going to use the colours that we've suggested, then this is the one that you'll use. And if you'd like to choose your own colours, then you're going to use the black and white version. The tools that you're going to need to complete your template are a small pair of scissors, some tweezers, a small paintbrush, a scrap piece of card, your quilling strips and some glue. So we're going to start off with the stem section in the middle of the flower. And we're going to take our quilling strip and then I'm going to use the paintbrush. And I'm just going to start off by painting along the dotted line. And then I find it helps to kind of manoeuvre it into place using the tweezers. I can pop that along the edge. Just glue right to the end. We'll bring this round and then we'll just cut away the excess once it's dried into position. So we'll just take the scissors and then just pop that back into position. Hold that there for a few seconds. Now for this middle section, like in the guide, you can do a few strips, you can do 5 strips, 10 strips, however many you want, there's no rules. Once we get to this point, just going to use the tweezers to hold it on the top of the point. You can bend that down and then just pinch the end to create that nice sharp point. For those of you that would like to give paper quilling and the digital templates a go, we've created a free digital download. Head on over to the Katy Sue website where you'll be able to download this and print at home. For best results, you want to print this onto a minimum of 150 GSM paper stock. Everything else that you need to complete your quilling you will find on the Katy Sue website. We really hope that you love the paper quilling digital templates, and if you'd like to share your creations, you can do so in the Facebook group Paper Art with Katy Sue Designs.